Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 15.1 from volume and surface area on our question number 20. So we have question number 20. In this question it has been said that 4 cubes of each 5 cm each are placed side by side and stuck together as shown in figure. Okay. If the outer surface alone is painted at rupees 300 per meter square, find the cost of painting. Okay. So in this question we have said here are 4 cubes of each is 5 cm joined by end to end. Okay, and also said we have to paint of its outer surface area. Okay, then find the total cost of painting and also given the cost of 1 meter square equal to 300. Okay, so we have a cube of base 5 cm. Okay, so this is a cube of base 5 cm and there are 4 cube of such type and joined by end to end to form this here. Okay, we have given to look like this figure. Okay, so given this is 5 cm, this is 5 cm, this is 5 cm, this is 5 cm. So overall length of this solid means this cube equal to 20 centimeter and this is 5. This is 5. Okay. So and its breadth and height is remains same. Okay. So length of the figure formed by after joining cubes of 5 centimeter side by side, whose length is equal to 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter equal to 20 centimeter and breadth equal to this is same as 5 centimeter and height is also same. Okay, then we have to paint the outer surface area. So this means we have to find TSA. Okay, total surface area of the cube formed by after joining 4 cubes of base 5 cm. So this means TSA cube equal to that would be equal to determined by using the formula 2 into LD plus BH plus HR. Okay. Now substituting the value of the dimension. So this is 2. Length is given to us. This becomes 20 into breadth is 5 centimeter is 5 and breadth is 5 into height is 5 plus 5 into length is 20. Okay, so this is 2 into 20 into 5 is 100. 5 into 5 is 25 plus 5 to the 10. Okay. So this is 2 into 100 plus 20 plus 100 is equal to 225 centimeter square. Okay. Again multiply 2 by 225, so we get the 450 centimeter square. Okay, so total surface area required is equal to 450 centimeter square after joining 5 cube. Okay, 5 cube of each 4 cube of each 5 centimeter end to end. So this is total surface area of the cube. We want to paint this area, and also given the cost of painting. Cost of painting 1 meter square. Cost of painting 1 meter square equal to, this is ₹300. Okay, cost of painting 1 meter square equal to ₹300. So here the cost of painting given 1 meter square. So this means here the total surface area required need in meter. So we to change in meter square, so we need to divide 450 by 100 into 100. So this will be changed into meter square. Okay, so we can cancel 0 0 and remaining are 450 upon 100 meter square. So therefore the cost of painting 445 upon 100 meter square equal to 300 into 45 upon 100. Okay, so we can cancel 20 from numerator and denominator. Now multiply 3 into 45. So we will get 5 3s are 50. 135 upon 10. Okay, and again after 135 divided by 10, so we will get 13.5. Okay, 135. The total cost of the painting. Okay, the total cost of the painting equal to 13.5 rupees. Of this figure, when a cube upside, when 4 cube upside 5 centimeter join end to end. Okay, so this is the required answer of this question. Okay, okay children, now move to the question number 21. This is last question of exercise 15.1. So in this question it has been said that the dimensions of a closed divider piping case are in the ratio. Okay, are in the ratio 5:4:3 if the total surface is 0.94 meter square. Find the dimension of the divider. Okay, so dimension of the closed divider piping given in the ratio 5:4:3 So first let L and B and H be the length, breadth and height of the closed divided piping. So this means we have given us the ratio of the dimension length, breadth, height, which is equal to 5:4:3. Okay, 5:4:3 in ratio. So this implies from this ratio the length would be equal to 5x, breadth equal to 4x and height equal to 3x. Okay, length equal to 5x, breadth equal to 4x, h equal to 3x. And also given the total surface area. Okay, so we have to given the total surface area is equal to 0.94 meter square. Okay, so total surface area of the closed divider piping is 2LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 0.94 meter square. Okay, so now substituting the value of the dimension. This is 2 into L. L is 5x into B is 4x plus B is, this is 4, H is 3x plus 3x into L is 5x equal to 0.94 meter square. Okay, so this is 2 into 5 4 20 x square plus 15 x square plus, this is not 15, 12, 4 into 3 is 12 x square, 3 into 5 15 x square is equal to 0.94 meter square. Okay, and now adding, this is 2 and 20x square, 12 square, 15x square. So we will get 5 to 7 and 47x square equal to 0.94 meter square. And this implies x square equal to 0.94 and 47 into 2 is 94 divided by 94 meter square. So after simplification we will get 1 upon 100 meter square. Okay, so this is the value of x square equal to 1 upon 100 meter. This implies the value of x equal to 1 upon 10 meter. Okay, 1 upon 10 meter square. So after substituting the value of the variable x in this expression, length equal to 5 breadth equal to h, so we will get the required dimension. Okay, after closed divider piping. So this will become length equal to 5 into 1 upon 10 meter equal to 0.5 meter and breadth equal to 4 into 1 upon 10 meter equal to 0.4 meter and height equal to 3 into 1 upon 10 meter equal to 0.3 meter. Okay, So this is the required dimension of the closed divider piping. Okay.